Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to make a cabbage salad. We are going to use the greenish whitish color cabbage and we are going to use a purple cabbage as well. In order to make a salad, you are going to need lemons, salt and pepper, olive oil, your favorite, and we are going to use dried mint for our dressing. Now some people like to use garlic. I am one of those people. If you are using garlic, you are going to grate the garlic very fine. You can mash it as well and you will put it in your dressing. Okay, so first we are going to begin with our dressing. Since I don't have any more mint from my garden, I am using organic mint bag. As you can see, this is perfect. It is dried, it's organic, it's all mint, no additives, no other herbs, no tea in it, nothing, just pure mint. So it will work perfectly for us. You are going to take your bag, open it up, and empty it in a cup or in a small bowl to make your dressing. Okay, we are going to take the olive oil and add it to the mint. I have here about 2 tablespoons and that is more than enough. Okay, now to this, if you like to add garlic, you may add garlic to it. Okay, and if you do not, then you don't need it. All right, salt and pepper. I have a mix here. You're just going to add a little. You can always adjust it to the taste afterwards. And for your tanginess, we are going to use lemons. Those are beautiful. And you can squeeze it here. It's very juicy. Those are gorgeous. Okay. I probably will end up using the whole lemon. We're just going to wait and see. Well, maybe not. Here. Okay. You can use your fingers to strain it as well. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Now, your mandolin is very sharp. I'm going to put actually my dressing aside because we are done. We have the whole thing over here. Now I'm just going to let it sit and relax. The mint will soften and we will be able to use it very soon. Your mandolin is super sharp. You have your blade, so please be very careful when you are using it. Don't cut yourself. Pay attention where you are at when you are slicing the cabbage, okay? Otherwise, before you know it, you are cutting your fingers. Okay, you can choose how fine you want it to be. I like the cabbage to be super fine, and that's what I am going to do. If it's coarse, it's not gonna taste nice. Okay, the first part is done, and as you can see, here it is. And I'm going to switch to my white cabbage, greenish whitish cabbage. Here it is. This is a salad that you can enjoy by itself, or you can have it with any type of protein you are having for the day. Some steak, some chicken, whatever you choose will be fine. Okay, and we are going to place it over here, and as you can see, here is our mixture. It's beautiful. Okay, Now I'm going to take my dressing and I'm just going to pour it over it. Don't be afraid to use your fingers, right? Obviously your fingers are going to be clean. So just toss it gently. And you can let it sit for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you know. You want it to have the dressing. Beautiful. And here it is. Red and white cabbage salad with olive oil, lemon and mint dressing. Enjoy! Bon appétit!